So today we are looking at a product that they wanted this review video done by today, but I only got the product a couple days ago. There's just no way that it was going to get done. So basically, this review is going to be strictly a unboxing, and we'll kind of go over their website, just kind of show you what this actually is. And this is the ULIKE X IPL hair removal device. 26 reviews, 5 stars. Um, this is their groundbreaking device engineered for coarse male body hair. But I'm guessing it could be used for male or female. 94% hair loss in just 2 weeks. Long-lasting results. Effectively removes stubborn hairs. FDA cleared. Quick sessions. Nearly painless. So there might be a little pain, I'm guessing, possibly. Anyways, if you look at it, that's the device. Tough on hair, dual lights, has some information there that I really have no idea what it means. Easy on skin, innovative skin sensor, auto detects your skin tone, which I guess is important. It does say that it's the strength you can't feel. Their coolest ever ice cooling tech is now at 61.4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is down by 3.6 degrees. You have a fast mode for quick touch-ups, a normal mode for fine to normal hair, high for coarse and thick hair, and an auto glide for continuous flashes. That's pretty much what I look like. Pretty much. Still no. Anyways, clean up your body in 2 weeks. So from this to this, if that's what you're looking for, maybe this is good, right? I don't necessarily know if I'm going to try that, but it does show in one of these pictures here. Here it is, that you can have it on your face. So I may try it on this stuff, maybe, right? Just to see. Lasts longer than shaving and waxing. And they give you these prices. So, right, normally this would be $429 for the ULIKE X. Right now it's $299, it's an even better deal. If you were to get laser done, you're looking at about $64,000. Shaving, $10,000. A cream, $10,000. Waxing, $23,000. And then again, which IPL is right for you? Cool. It is what it is. I like the fact that it's called ULIKE, because it's like, you like what you see? You like what? Anyways, let's go over and take a look at what comes in the box. And then in a future video, of course, we will see how this thing actually works. So this is the box, the ULIKE IPL hair removal device. Seems like a pretty substantial box for sure. Got some weight and substance to it. On the bottom, of course, they have this. This is Air Series. So I'm hoping it's the same, because I don't hope that I went through this whole thing, you know, because there's Air 10, Air 3. Maybe they're all considered Air Series. I don't really know, but they did say that they were sending me the X. I'm guessing this should be it. I hope so, because that would be unfortunate if they're like, yeah, here's one that's not what we actually said we were going to send you. That doesn't sound great. Anyways, let's open this up, see how this is working. There we go. I got it. I'm with you. Anyways, let's just put that down here. IPL hair removal, boys. All right, here we go. The ULIKE IPL hair removal device. So it's fancy. It's fancy when you open it, right? ULIKE was the world's #1 home hair removal brand of 2022. That mean it's not anymore? I don't really know. That seems like a odd thing to. We were really good. Now we're not the best anymore. So thanks for coming by. Just so you guys are aware. It's strange. Nice packaging though, for sure. Again, it just says Air Series. So I'm hoping this is going to tell me what model it is, and if this is the actual. What is this? Does it have goggles? Do you need to wear goggles? Looks like this. It's a big safety thing. Quick start guide. All right, that's cool. We'll look at that for sure. And then this comes out. Well, this red box seems to come out first. So you get this must be a little bag to put it. Where am I? To put it in. Little bag. Put it in right there. Right. We get I don't even know what this is. So confusing. Gentle wet shave. I don't. We'll learn more again in the review. We'll tell you what that's all about. And then, yes, sir. Not just for shaving. No way. Look at those. They fold out. Come on now. That's worth the price right there. Folding wicked shades, right? I'm gonna wear these the whole time. And then this must be the X because it's like, it's got this cool black color, right? The other ones I think were different colors. Anyways, that's going over there. Look at the power thing on this. This thing must pull all kinds of crazy power. And yeah, I'm wearing these shades. I might be just wearing them from now on. Kind of my PC Neistat type thing. He wears like Ray-Bans, they're all weird. I am wearing hair removal laser glasses. So this is that. How many wattage is this? I don't know because my glasses are way too dark. And of course, this is going to go into the back of this for powering. But come on now. Look, that's heavy duty. I had no idea. I'm going into business, hair removal. You guys want to come over? Yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm making some money off of this for sure. Look at that, hey? That is crazy. I guess I have to wear laser eyewear protection. You guys see that? This must come off. That must be the, is this the laser covering? I sure hope I'm supposed to take this off. Doesn't seem to do anything. That's the laser. Don't look directly in it, is my guess. So I do kind of want to zap myself, but I also want to make sure I read everything. So I'm not going to do that right now. Anyways, this is what it is. You get this nice long cable, right? Because you like. And that, they talk about, you know what? I think it's funny because they're like, hey, look how much money you spend on shaving, but you could use this. Can you imagine waking up in the morning and just being like, I guess. I was like, it seems really large, but once you're here, you're like, But I wonder how long, because you can, like, if I were to shave every day, which I don't, but if I were to shave every day, I don't know what, 4 or 5 minutes, maybe, if you had like an electric shaver. This, I'm really curious how long that would take. And if you could do it when my hair is this long, right? Or you would have to shave it and then do it. So I'm going to read all the instructions because I don't want to end up, burning myself or damaging myself or shooting the laser completely through my head and, bad things happen. That would suck. Anyways, those glasses, come on now, right? Sweet deal. It's a sweet deal. Now that I know that you get glasses, it makes sense. Anyways, this is the ULIKE. I will leave links because it is on sale right now, but I don't know how well it works. I will let you guys know in a future video after I play with this. I'll probably play with it a bit this week, and then maybe like a week or so from now, I'll put a review video up. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you watch for that video because if you're interested, I will put something up. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. I'll see you later. Have a good one.